Hi guys, today we will be flying over to Bolivian landscapes in Madidi.
Madidi-Tambopata spans 110,000 square kilometers in northwestern Bolivia and southeastern Peru. It is home to around 1,100 species of birds, 300 species of mammals, and various indigenous groups like the Tucanas. In 1999, WCS launched the Madidi-Tambopata Great Landscape Program to conserve threatened species like the Andean bear. Our first stop, and we've landed in Madidi, a huge area of 1,895,750 hectares. Here, 31 indigenous communities, around 8,244 species of vascular plants, and species like the Andean bear or jaguar live in protection and peace. WCS has done a lot to help in the area. For example, the NAMI Madidi initiative works to register jaguar populations and has the highest recorded numbers of the Ixiamas and Pata Rosello monkey groups in the montane forests, one of the prioritized and protected places that WCS and various indigenous groups have drawn up management plans for. Also, WCS, along with other groups like CERNAP, raised $650,000 in an auction to determine the scientific name of the TT monkey. This money went to the hiring of 14 park rangers and strengthening surveillance within the area. WCS's Identidad Madidi is an expedition that explores the area's diversity and connects city youth to the Madidi National Park through classes in science or the arts. WCS has also supported local businesses in the area by providing them with technology and money, and especially to the communities that produce wild cacao and bird-friendly shade-grown coffee. Because of WCS's help with the population surveys and detailed monitoring, the Tucana communities support themselves by harvesting adult male caimans and selling their skin to local restaurants and brands.
Stop 2. We've landed in Pilón, Lajas, located on the eastern spur of the Andes and covering 400,000 hectares. Because of the land's characteristics, there are many plants and animals located here that are important for conservation, including jaguars, guarimono, and harpy eagles. WCS coordinated the Pilón Lajas Management Plan, which works with locals to spread awareness and live more sustainably. For example, local promoters are trained to utilize land use maps. In this plan, WCS works with indigenous peoples and also guarantees their territorial rights. WCS also collaborated on the hunting self-monitoring of Asunción del Quiquibe, identifying 28 hunted species. WCS aims to enable the community in protecting Pilón Lajas and implementing natural resource management.
Our third stop is Apolobamba, a natural reserve created in 1972. Under the name Uya Uya, its purpose was to protect the endangered population of vicuñas, animals that are like the cousins of llamas. The protected area is located in northern La Paz, 4,300 meters above sea level. This area is characterized by the existence of grasslands and peat bogs. In 2001, WCS established a baseline distribution of vicuñas in Apolobamba. Later, between 2006 and 2008, WCS conducted health studies of diseases in vicuñas and domestic animals. The results showed that the population of native vicuñas had grown by 10,000, and 94% of vicuñas examined were in great health conditions. Nowadays, WCS is working in the preservation of natural and cultural heritage in Bolivia, as well as the sustainable, economic, and social development of tourism.
Stop 4 finds us in Pampas Del Yacuma, which was named a protected area on July 8, 2007. It spans over 600,000 hectares and is located in the municipality of Santa Rosa del Yacuma. It is home to 9 communities, 172 cattle ranches, and about 7,000 inhabitants. This area is important for conservation due to its annual floods, which affect the habitat's vegetation. Its unique environment allows for a plethora of plants to thrive, such as aquatic plants and forest islands, and also houses 3 endemic and endangered species, including Rio Beni titi, Olala Brothers titi, and bluebeard macaw. Pampas del Yacuma is also a tourist site, bringing in about 16,000 tourists annually. WCS is researching and spreading information to locals. We began by conducting studies to identify priority habitats. These studies help us focus our resources in habitats that need them more. In addition, we use outreach strategies to bring awareness to the conservation of the endemic titi monkeys of Beni. WCS has found that burned pastures and livestock areas are the main threats to these monkeys.
Stop 5, we're in Ixiamas, a protected area that began in 2006. This municipal protected area is located east of Madidi River in Alto Madidi and Sierra del Tigre area. Ixiamas is known for its exceptional biodiversity and rich landscape, being home to the second highest density of jaguars ever. As a part of Ixiamas, the Sierra del Tigre area has an amazing diversity of birds and an important role in watershed protection. WCS and the government of Ixiamas have developed a management plan and a zoning proposal of the area, identifying priority conservation areas and actions. WCS has planned to take these actions in order to increase ecotourism and environmental education. For instance, by researching the abundance of the white-lipped peccary, jaguars, giant otters, and spider monkeys, WCS can constitute a technical bias for the creation of the Ixiamas Municipal Protected Area. In addition, WCS and the government have currently received technical support in strengthening its municipal tourism unit. As a result, this would help encourage economic development in Ixiamas and improve the livelihoods of the population. Our last and final stop is right here in Marka, Cololo, Copacabana. This landscape is located in the municipality of Pelichuco, northeast of France Tamayo province in the department of La Paz. It's characterized by snow-capped peaks, glaciers, meadows, and valleys. Marka, Cololo, Copacabana's wetlands and valleys are the food source for wildlife and domestic camelids. Their islet has a population of 1,335 inhabitants, or 274 families, identified as part of Bukina Kola Indigenous Nation. To help with land organization, WCS and authorities of the Marka, Cololo, Copacabana, Antakya approved a land management plan. This plan focuses on Apolobamba due to the conservation of threatened Andean fauna and protecting Kenwa forest patches. There's importance in maintaining connectivity of high Andean ecosystems and dry inter-Andean forests, crucial for species with large spatial requirements. This plan is also a guide in cultural identity such as the protection of islets to territorial rights, sustainable natural resource use, and safeguarding traditional biodiversity knowledge. In summary, WCS helps strengthen management capacity, coordination of Pelichuco municipality and Apolobamba's protected area and community involvement in biodiversity conservation.